How to add or change profile photo on Upscrolled. In today's video, I'll show you how to add or change your profile photo on Upscrolled in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Upscrolled app and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom corner of the screen. This will take to your profile page. Next, look for the Edit Profile option and tap on it. Here you will see your current profile picture. Tap on it. Then tap on Select New Photo. You can now upload a photo from your device or take a new photo using your camera. Once you select your photo, adjust it if needed and tap Save. That's it. Your new profile photo will be updated instantly. And that's how you can easily add or change your profile photo on Upscrolled. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.